I'm now further up the driveway, just a few feet. You can see a lot of trees snapped also. This whole area used to be full of trees here, and they've all come down in the last couple years. Here's another tree that was across the driveway. Another little maple fell there. We can go walk back in there at some point. There's my neighbor's $1 million house in the distance. You can see, have a mountain view here, but I don't think you can see it on the video. Here's where we planted all new grass in our fields here, up here and down below. That's a small alder that was a dead snag. This is the big maple that fell down in the middle of our road. I dragged it out with my old truck. Right here we had a deck of alder that was there beforehand, so those didn't all fall just in the storm. But that was a big gnarly maple that fell there. That's our gate. There's the big stump. And off in the distance there you can see some more large cedar. And you can see how those alders are real dangerous, the way they break and snap.